How to get started with game asset creation. Creating game assets is a crucial part of game development, involving the design of visual and audio elements that populate and enhance a game. Here's a guide to help you get started with game asset creation. 1. Understanding game assets, visual and audio elements. Game assets include anything used in a game, from characters and environments to sounds and animations. Understanding the types of assets and their roles is essential for creating effective and engaging content. 2. Choosing the right tools. Software for asset creation. Select software based on the type of asset you want to create. For 2D art, tools like Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator are popular. For 3D models, Blender and Autodesk Maya are commonly used. Audio assets can be created with software like Audacity or FL Studio. 3. Learning the basics. Tutorials and online resources. Start with tutorials and online resources to learn the basics of your chosen software. Websites like YouTube, Udemy, and Coursera offer courses and guides that cover fundamental techniques in asset creation. 4. Creating 2D assets, sprites, textures, and UI elements. 2D assets involve creating sprites, textures, and user interface, UI, elements. Focus on pixel art or vector graphics, depending on your game's style. Practice creating characters, backgrounds, and icons that fit the game's visual style. 5. Designing 3D assets, models, textures, and animations. For 3D assets, start by modeling objects using tools like Blender or Maya. Learn about texturing, which adds detail to models, and rigging, which involves creating a skeleton for animations. Practice by creating simple models and gradually move to more complex ones. 6. Audio assets, recording and editing sounds. Create audio assets by recording sounds or using digital audio workstations, DAWs, for sound design. Learn to edit and mix audio files to ensure they fit seamlessly into your game. Practice creating effects, background music, and dialogue. 7. Asset integration. Importing assets into your game engine. Learn how to import and integrate assets into game engines like Unity or Unreal Engine. Understand the process of setting up assets, adjusting properties, and ensuring they work correctly within the game environment. 8. Iterating and testing. Refining your assets. After creating assets, test them within your game to ensure they function as intended. Iterate based on feedback and make adjustments to improve their quality and integration. 9. Building a portfolio. Showcasing your work. Create a portfolio to showcase your game assets. Include examples of your best work, such as screenshots, 3D models, and audio clips. A well-organized portfolio can help you attract clients or job opportunities in game development. 10. Staying updated. Trends and techniques in asset creation. The field of game asset creation is continually evolving. Stay updated on the latest trends and techniques by following industry blogs, participating in forums, and attending conferences or webinars. Conclusion. Getting started with game asset creation involves understanding the types of assets, choosing the right tools, and learning fundamental techniques. By practicing and refining your skills, you can create high-quality assets that enhance the overall experience of your game.